Hello guys, welcome to another video. Here's a quick story. I got up from my bed in the middle of the night around 4. I wanted to use the toilet. I was pressed. I wear slippers at home, bathroom slippers. And then as I put my feet down, as soon as I did that, it just touched my slippers like the heels part. But as my toes touched the back end of my slippers, something was like, and my room was dark, mind you, something was like I should switch the slippers. I should change it when I've not even seen that it's the wrong leg or that the wrong slippers. As my toes touched the back of the slippers, and I felt to switch it. And when I did, the slippers, I wore them correctly. Now, what if I decided to search first if the slippers were actually put in the wrong order before I wore them? What if I actually like checked first if the slippers were in the wrong order before I switched them, before I followed that leading the Holy Spirit? So what if that was faith there, man? That was faith there. Even when I couldn't see, I didn't see that, oh, my legs were, I couldn't see that the slippers were in a wrong way, in a wrong order, so that when I want to stand up and use it, like, I'll be wearing different legs. I went off intuitively, spontaneously. I didn't waste no time. I trusted. If I didn't, man, if I didn't follow my intuition, if I didn't follow the, from within, I would have, end up I would have put my legs in the wrong slippers and end up correcting it. So what am I trying to say? Like, as it's in the small things, man. It's in the small things. If you can't trust the small things, how can you trust God for the big things? If you can't take small steps, how can you? Is it when it's big that you know? If you can't trust this, you won't be able to trust this. Sometimes, man, you just gotta take that leap of faith. Like the way Peter walked on water, that came through faith. The fact that I was able to just go off that instinct, not even, it's instinctually, like, go off that gut feeling, that feeling within me, without having to look first, and then it turned out right. Like, that was amazing. It was amazing for me, without knowing that the slippers were, where I just took a leap of faith, bro. I took a leap of faith. I just jumped. I just did it, man. I just did it. I took a leap of faith without seeing, that these slippers were out of order. The right in the left in the right. Once you get a signal in your spirit, in your heart, for you to do something, once you get that leading in your spirit, forget every other thing and then do it. And then do it. Leave all logical reasoning, just do it, man. It will make you more brave. Make you more brave in cases where, that's applied. And you be more spontaneous. Take that leap of faith and you will be rewarded. Follow your heart. Your intuition is powerful. Heart over mind, guys. Heart over mind.